Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Whousewe 108 LED solar landscape lights. These are a 2-pack. You can get these for about $30 I believe. There's a link in the description if you decide to purchase. I'm sorry for being not posting basically for about a week. I've been busy with a lot of things and family and just life basically. So I'm going back into my schedule now again, so expect more content. I have lots of big videos planned. I just have to finish them and then edit them. Yeah, so let's just get into it straight away. So as you can see right here, we have the 2 parts that go into the ground, little pegs, I guess. And then right here we have the, I guess, extend barrels. I don't know what these are. We'll see in a second. Got another piece here, another piece. And here is the solar light. Wow, these are huge LEDs. These are gonna be bright. So it says apparently it has 108, and I do believe that. These will get bright for sure. And then since it has a solar, you don't have to ever worry about charging it. Just keep it outside. Unless of course you live somewhere where it's not really sunny, then these won't really be that good. And then right here we have some mounting accessories and a little cap right there. Same thing here, cap. Another one, and then at the end we just have a user manual. Very clear instructions on how to set this up. This does have a heat resistant, frost resistant, and waterproof, so these are good for weather, so no matter where you are it'll be really good. On the back of the device you actually do have a power button right here. How to set them up, pretty simple. You just have to get this part here and then put this right here. And then with the included one of these, they give you an extra one here, and then you go ahead and put this piece in like so. Make sure it's aligned so it goes straight through. And you can go ahead and put this here, put this right here, like that. And then you can go ahead and get the final piece, and that part goes in the ground. And that's pretty much it. All right, so I did it. I flipped them. Pretty sure it's like this, and then it will have an actual stable, and then you can actually tighten it more. As you can see, just tighten it. You can angle it way better. So these only work obviously when you have this covered. So they work at night, they charge in the day, and then you can press the on and off button to make it brighter. As you can see, so this is the brightest, and then off, lowest, 2, 3. So there's only 3 brightnesses. I recommend it either the first or second, depending on where you're putting this, obviously. Yeah, it should be good anywhere though. So yeah, that's pretty much how you set them up. That is pretty much all you have to do. And if you needed to like mount it somewhere, then you can mount them. You can mount them as well. There's 2 little parts right here. You can mount them on a wall. You can just take this part off. All you would need to do is just put this part in, and then you can mount this on a wall. I'll show you in a B-roll real quick right now of what it looks like at night. But anyways, without further ado, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.